Hello guys, today I am going to solve another challenge from the Pico. Actually we are at an 11th challenge, which is an don't use client side challenge. So I am going to open the particular link they have provided. In this link they provided an portal, login portal, and they are asking for enter valid credentials. So I am trying here an SQL injection. You know that SQL injection. I'm trying to implement an SQL injection here. Let me try whether it works or not. I'm clicking on verify button. No, incorrect password. Here SQL is not working. So let me check the source code. I'm trying to open the source code. Yeah, we got here the flag. Actually they divided the flag into different parts, so we have to combine it and paste in the given challenge. So here from 0, the split is considered as 1, 0 to 1 is considered as first part. I am copying it in notepad. And from 2 to 3, no, we have to see from 1 to 2. Here the second part, Ctf. Now for third part it is from 2 to 3. Here it is 2 to 3. I'm copying it. Now 3 to 4. Where is 3 to 4? Here. Four to 5. And 5 to 6. Six to 7. Seven to 8, which is the last part of the flag. So this is the total flag required. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste. Let me see the hint what they are given. Never trust the client. So they are talking about the client side. Let me submit the flag. Yeah, task completed.